Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make this MoonKnight helmet out of cardboard. And yes, it is wearable and you can see out of it too. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, don't really mind the 3D printing noise in the background, but what I started off first by doing is just cutting out two strips, basically one that goes vertical and one that goes horizontally, just mapping out my head shape. And then you're just going to start filling that in, but yeah, also just sort of getting the bare bones of the helmet in, like getting the jaw piece, getting the front piece, like the mouth piece in, and yeah, just the head piece. But yeah, so there you can see I have the jaw on the top of the head piece, and now I'm just starting to sort of fill it in. And really, it's a simple process. You're just going to basically put it on your head. You're basically going to want to get a strip of cardboard, glue it on the bottom of the helmet, if you know what I mean. That bottom strip that goes horizontal, and then you're going to want to put that on your head and then fold it like according to your head shape, and then just cut that, or just like mark that while it's on your head and then cut that out and then glue that on, and then basically do that for the whole helmet. And here you can see I have half the helmet made. I don't know why I just started with half, but here I'm basically just trying to reiterate the next half. The same way, just starting with that horizontal and then that vertical, and then just trying to really just replicate each piece, basically putting a piece of cardboard over the old piece of cardboard and then just cutting it out till it matches, and then gluing it on basically as a mirror image, and trying to add those curves and everything that the MoonKnight helmet has, you know, just the shape of it and everything. And now I'm just looking at pictures to try and add that nose contour that it has, that nose bulge. Basically what I did was I just added like a square or a rectangle 3D just like in front, and then I just added like a sort of bulge for the nose by just cutting a piece of cardboard, a strip of cardboard out, then two slits on the sides but not all the way to the middle, and then gluing that from the back, and then that makes like a solid nose piece. Then you just glue that on. Once you glued all of that on, you can go to the inside of the helmet and hollow out the flat parts. And so now you have that nose contour and you have space for your nose and everything, because what I did before with the helmet was it was like really flat, and so it kind of smushed my face in, and it didn't fit very well. But yeah, now I'm just grabbing some white fabric and basically folding over the edges and then just hot gluing one side on, and then folding over those edges again and then just pulling it real tight and hot gluing the other side on, so I don't have to glue it all the way through and leave glue marks. And then for this, just look at reference photos to get that pattern right. Really, all you have to do is get the front of the mask patterned correctly, and the top and the back really don't really matter, because if you're going to be wearing a hood or a cosplay with this, you're not even going to see that anyway. Plus, there's not great reference photos for those parts, so just pretty much make that up. What I did was I just like made it just horizontal. I just made some lines and then tried to make it look like a little bit more complicated. And I think it does look pretty cool. That part isn't accurate, but if you're just looking at it straight on from the front, it's pretty spot on to the MoonKnight show. And yeah, guys. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and I honestly really love how it turned out with the fabric and everything. Just give you an all-around view. The eyes, I didn't do anything yet. I might add some lights later or something, but at the moment, I'm not going to. If I do make the suit, I'll add the eyes and stuff, but yeah, let me just show you guys it on me again. Here's what it looks like on the front, side, maybe a zoom in view, that part, back. It's fairly exposed everywhere, and it's not a full helmet, as you can see. That's just because I wouldn't be able to get my head inside of it if it was. But this works well if you have a hood. You can very easily hide it, and if I had like a neck guard or whatever, it would work. But yeah, guys, so if you like the video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you like my channel. Want to see more? Almost at 300, which makes us closer to 500 and closer to 1,000. So yeah, guys, on the road to 1,000. Let's get it. If we can get that before the end of the summer, that'd be amazing. But yeah, we'll see. Follow my Instagram down below. It's a new Instagram because my old one got deleted. It's _Caleb_Shell. So yeah, we'll link that in the description down below for you guys to see. And yeah, thanks for watching.